everyone. We've got a day out today. We're off to Oulton Park to go and do a track day. Now, even instructors there, we're not know-it-alls. There's always stuff that we can learn, and I'm going to learn from this particular track day. The reasoning behind doing this was actually getting this car. These modern cars are very, very powerful. And just for example, the car that I had on my wall as I was a young lad was a Ferrari 288 GTO, and this thing's performance-wise exactly the same, or very, very similar. And when we learn to drive, we don't get sort of that experience of dealing with these more powerful machines that they produce nowadays. So we're off to Oulton Park, and we're going to go and take an M4 around a track and see what we can learn. Registration done, just waiting for the instructors to come and get us. Dual controls in case I get it wrong. Love it. I wonder what size helmet I had to have. Back already, peeps. Now, I'm a little bit disappointed, and I apologise for having no footage of actually me doing the track day. The race circuit at Oulton Park wouldn't let me. I can sort of see why, but I'm still disappointed. I wanted to bring that to everyone and show people the actual experience of doing a track day. Now, it went really well. I enjoyed it. Did I learn stuff? Yes, I did. The whole experience was superb. The instructor that I had, Richard, big thanks to Richard, he was great. His level of tuition as well, which is something that I'm always going on about to other driving instructors who I teach. His level of instruction was superb. You know, we were just really talking on the second 15-minute stint that I had, because I was doing all the stuff that I should have really been doing. So it was really good. What did I take from it? What did I learn? Braking, to be honest. It's something that I can sort of see why it might happen like this, and this could be a skill set of mine that I maybe needed to improve. The braking that I was doing on a track on occasions wasn't quite enough, and a couple of corners I was coming in a little bit strong, and it affected my exit of the corner. Now, that's something that I don't do that much of. Although we've got a car that is a quick car, you cannot drive them on the roads in that way. So my job, if you like, is to stop the heavy brake from happening. It's all about anticipation and planning. On a track, it's totally different. But it did allow me to get to the limits of the BMW M4. There was a little bit of drift, a little bit of slide, and even when to choose gear and doing all your braking in a straight line, it's actually, unfortunately, I'm going to say this, it's nothing new. It's stuff that actually passed to my pupils, but it's well worth going on one of these track days. One of my only gripes that I to have was the actual booking experience through MSV. The people who actually sell and organise the courses. This has been purchased since July, August time, and I've had two actual cancellations of sessions that I've actually pre-booked. Even this session that I've done today, I got told that I'd be sent a follow-up email to confirm everything. It wasn't there. So that's the only sort of like bit in the chain that really wasn't up to scratch. It might have just been my situation. Don't let that put you off actually going on one of these track days. There's all different places all throughout the country. There's all different experiences that you can go off and do. Me personally, I've driven Caterhams, I've done the rally course, I've done the four-wheel drive course as well, which was excellent. That teaches you loads of things that you can apply into just everyday driving as well. And even the M4 track day that I've done at Oulton Park today, it teaches you about balance of the car, it teaches you about braking, it teaches you about smooth application of your accelerator or gas, and even smooth steering inputs. All of these things we do try and put across as instructors, but when you're in that scenario of driving on a track, it highlights it even more. So I really suggest everyone going off and doing one. Again, apologies for the lack of footage of me driving. I'm not even going to discuss what the instructor says, but don't forget, even someone like myself, I teach drivers and I also teach instructors. We can all learn, and that's the big thing. Go and get some more experience driving different things and experience different situations. I'll see you all soon.